Setting your freelance writing rates, how to price your work, Part 1. Are you ready to take the plunge into the exciting world of freelance writing? Are you wondering how much to charge potential clients for your work? In this video we will explore how best to price your freelance writing work. The first step is to review why getting your rates right is so crucial. Because your billable rate isn't just a number, it represents the value you bring to the table. Setting a fair billable rate is about valuing your expertise. It communicates that you're a professional who deserves to be compensated fairly for your skills and your time. Your freelance work is your livelihood. Pricing your work properly helps you reach your financial goals. Your billable rate also plays a role in attracting the right clients instead of the wrong ones. Setting a rate that aligns with your skill level and the quality of your work filters out clients who are looking for bargain basement deals and attracts clients who value quality work. Now, let's dive into the key factors to consider when setting your freelance writing rates. Your experience and your skill level are fundamental to determining your billable rates. If you're just starting out in the business, you may need to charge lower rates initially to build up your portfolio and obtain experience. As you grow your business and your skills, you can gradually increase your rates. Take the time to research your market and understand the going rates for freelance writing in your specific niche. Determine an average billable rate for your services by checking out websites like Payscale and Glassdoor. They can provide valuable data you can use to figure out what to charge. Next, consider your overhead expenses as a freelancer. This can include expenses such as software subscriptions, internet access, office supplies, and taxes. Ensure that your rates cover these expenses while leaving room for profit. Do you know how long it might take you to complete different types of writing projects? It's time to find out. You need to include time for research, writing, editing, and revisions. Different niches command different rates. Technical writing, for example, often pays more than general content writing due to its specialized nature. Consider the demand and complexity of your niche. What makes you unique as a freelance writer? Clients often pay a premium for writers who bring specialized knowledge or a distinctive voice to their projects. If your writing can help a client generate more revenue, save some time, or solve a problem, you can justify higher rates. And effective negotiation is an essential freelance skill you'll need to learn. Be prepared to negotiate with clients, especially when starting out. Have a clear understanding of your minimum acceptable rate and be ready to explain your value to clients who may question your pricing. Remember that your rates are not set in stone. As you gain experience and your portfolio grows, revisit your rates periodically and adjust them. When you present your rates to clients, do so with confidence and a clear explanation of the value they'll receive. And that's it for Part 1. Please view our follow-up video for even more information and suggestions on how to set your rates. If you found this video helpful, please click on subscribe and like so I can continue to create content for you. Thanks.